Hello. Yeah, hi, welcome back. Now we are starting the part 2 of the chapter Strategy of Successful PR Person from the book Service Marketing and Public Relation in the Aviation Industry. So, now as we have already discussed the point number 9.31 tools, alteration in public relation. So, now we are supposed to discuss the publicity tool. So now the first is press release. Press release is a basic building block of publicity program concerned with the story placement. This is where the important information about the product or the service is summarized in a way that it will catch the media's attention. Just the marketer would customize the advertisement message for each target, and he needs to customize press release for various media he contacts. Now the fact sheets. A press release should be written so that it can be used without any editing. That means all relevant information must be included. There must be additional important information that doesn't really fit into the press release. That's where the fact sheet comes in. Fact sheets includes more detailed information on the product, its origin, its in particular features. By providing fact sheets, it is easier for the media to write story about the product because the fact sheets can help to clear up the misconceptions and the answer reporters' question, saving them a phone call or the email query. Now the press kit. Press kit pulls together all the press releases, fact sheets, and accompanying photograph about the product into one neat package. A comprehensive folder can serve as an attention getter and keep the provided material organized. Many organizations supply press kits and gifts to people so that the reporters can use them for a longer period of time. Video news release, which is called as a VNR also. This is a video equivalent of a press release prepared for those by the television stations. Typical video news release runs about 90 seconds and can be used to highlight some important features of the 90 seconds, like important features of the product. These are called as infomercials. Like commercials hota hai, you know the commercials. So it's like infomercials because it has full information and it's really a video. They are based on the fact that often help corporate communication and the media relation people release the video release through their channel. Now, employee and the member relation program. The organization employees are an extremely important internal public. Corporate public relation people often spend a great deal of time developing employees communication program, including newsletters, information building boards, bulletins board, and internet posting. In service organization, these kinds of opportunities can be used to support branded communication, communication efforts. For example, using the company newsletter to remind communication about the importance of prompt and polite customer service is an effective way of building a strong brand image. Community relation program. It is critical that the companies maintain the role of good communication citizens within the market where they have offices and manufacturing facilities. Many companies actively encourage their employees to take part in the community organizations. Local corporations are often major sponsor of community event and the activities of such presentation, blood donation drives, and education activities. Tata Group of companies highlighting their community relationship based communication for building a strong brand image with local community and a stakeholder at large. Financial relation program. Most of the brand marketing organizations are publicly held companies. Financial relations have become a key aspect of public relation activities. Downturns in company earning quickly lead to decline in stock prices, leading to the exit of top executives. Financial relation peoples are responsible for establishing and maintaining a relationship with the investment community, including industry analyzer, stock brokers, and journalists specializing in financial reporting. Financial relation persons write the company annual report as well as the other communication directed to stockholders. Industry relation programs. The primary public that the industry relations specialist deals with the other business operating within the same industry as well as the trade association. The recent travails of tobacco companies in India help to underscore the importance of industry relation. And acceptance of peer firm within the trade association helps in building a good public relation. Development fundraising program. This is particularly important area for not for profit organization such as art organization, education organizations for community service program. These type of companies often rely on donations and from the public government and other organization to make up the part of their operating budget. Development specialist identifies likely prospect of donation, prepare proposals to present to those prospect and work to nurture ongoing relationship. Initiative taken for fundraising including luncheons, seminars, dinners among the prospective donors. Special event marketing is rapidly gaining popularity. Besides linking their brand to existing event, marketers are also creating event of their own designed to reach a special target. The event itself can serve the compelling news angle of relating publicity efforts. Today we have many event management companies in India that specialize in product launch, fashion shows, cultural program marketing in India. House ads is the company uses various medias like newspapers, magazine, broadcast stations to prepare advertisement for the internal public, and public relation program manages those house advertisement. Public service announcements. Those are the ads for charitable and civic organization that run free cost of televisions or radio or a print media. These are called as a public service announcements. Many trade association companies launch programs which are called as a public service announcement programs. These advertisement highlights public and civic issues. Corporate advertising. This kind of advertising promotes corporate image and a corporate viewpoint. These advertisements do not talk about the product and the services. Product relation department prepares these kind of advertisement and sometimes addresses some issues and company stance on a subject. Companies also deliver their points on a view messages through advocacy advertisement. Oil companies and cigarette advertising companies use their point of view about environment and the health respectively. Now the publications. Companies publish various publications in the form of pamphlets, booklets, annual reports, books, bulletins, newspapers, inserts, and enclosures and papers. Company publishes annual reports explaining their performance and future plans. Collateral material can be used to support their marketing public relations efforts. Now the speakers, photos and film. Many companies use speakers bureaus to communicate with the people about the topic of public interest. Some publics like news media also wants pictures, video films for the user media. Display exhibit, events and tours. Exhibit, display, tours and events are important tools for public relation. Companies use display and pointer purchase material for image building. And company uses events for guerrilla marketing also. Press conferences. When company spokespersons makes the statement, they use press conference in front of media representative. This is one of the riskiest public relation activity because the media may not see the company's announcement as being the real news. Companies have used press conferences for the new product launch. Online communication. Companies use the new electronic media, which is marketing the biggest change in the communication landscape. Email, intranets, extranets are used for online communication. Companies develop websites and portals to provide corporate information on the www, that is World Wide Web. Companies use intranets and emails to communicate with the public. So now let's check our progress. It says the press releases is the basic building block of the publicity program concerned with story placements. So the answer is press releases. Now the public relation constitute one of the strategic tool in marketing functions, as the responsibility lies in developing and maintaining a sustainable positive image in the mind of the constituent public universe. Now the choice in communication. Choice in communication is a 9.4 topic. Communication is the significant factor of public relation. As we have already discussed, the public relation is utmost importance so as to maintain the positive image with the general public and the consumer. Portion of working good public relation means notifying the media to the company's position in response to public concern, sustaining high levels of customer satisfaction, being an active member of local community. Most important component of positive public relation plan is communication. Understanding the significance of communication in public practice will help company in constructing a good corporate policy. Communication is a process by which the information is enclosed in a package and is channeled and communicated by the sender to the receiver by means of some medium. Then the receiver then interprets the message and gives feedback to the sender. All forms of communication involved sender, message, and intended recipient through the receiver need not to present and aware of the sender intent to communicate at the same time of communication in order for the act of communications to occur. So communication plays a vital role in effective public relations. Two-way communication between both the parties are important, and information must flow in a desired form between the organization and the public. The receiver must understand what the sender means to communicate for an effective public relation. The receiver, what the sender, and the receiver who can target audience, public, stakeholders, employees, investors, etc., should clearly understand the sender message. The message and the information needs to create an impact on the minds of customer for the effective positioning. Communication needs to have a strong influence on the target audience for them to remain loyal towards the organization. Now, the choices of communication used in PR. So, as we have already discussed about the communication, it says the public relation utilize integrated communication. So, various tools can be used with the public relation so as to create effective marketing plan, and that can be adjusted accordingly. Media relation encompasses publicity product and company toward different areas of press of instant magazines, newspaper, newsletter, televisions, or internet. So some of the important tools that are used in media relation take account of the following. One is print or press kits, which comprises of a written information that supports the business. This may take a news releases, business history, information of the organization. Audio and video news releases consist of pre-recorded information. Matte releases, it's written article that is used as a filler material, and it's sent by the way of syndicated services, emailed, faxed, or mails. Website press rooms, it appeals to the media while providing a contact information from the company. Media tours occurs when the companies send the representative of the company to discuss the new product on TV or the radio talk shows. Newsletters are used for regular contact with the audience. Electronic mails and regular mails are used for those letters of information. Special events comprises of very wide variety of items together with recipient dinner and shows. Speaking engagements can take account of convention, meetings, and other demonstrations. Sponsorships are used to build brand recognition by means of association of the planned event or group. Employee relationship is significant of keeping our employee and information of business information, example personal information, corporate events, Community relation and philanthropy comprises of building good relationship with the part of a community in order to minimize bad publicity that can arise. Now, what are the component of communication? Component are six components, which is called as a context, sender encoder, message, medium, receiver decoder, and the feedback. Now, what is context? Every message, whether the oral and the written, begins with a context. Context is the broad field that includes country, culture, organization, and every country, every culture, every company or the organization has its own convention of processing and communicating information. So another aspects of context is the external stimulus that prompts you to send message. A source of this prompt may be a letter, memo, note, electronic mail, fax, telex, telephone call, meeting, or even a casual conversation. Your response to this prompt may be oral or written. Now, what is sender encoder? When you send a message to the encoder, the writer or the speaker, depending on whether your message is written or oral, you can try to choose symbol, usually words, and sometimes also a graphic or a picture that expresses your message so that the receiver will understand it and react to the response you desire. Now, message is the core idea you wish to communicate and consists of verbal, written or spoken symbols and non-verbal unspoken symbols. You must first decide whether the main point of your message is or what other information to include. Medium. Your message channel depends on the contextual factors discussed above and the nature of the message itself. Your medium can be printed word, electronic mail, or the sound. Written channel is often preferred when the message is long, technical, and formal in nature, and when the message must be documented. The oral channel is effective when the message is urgent or personal and when immediate feedback is important. These guidelines can change when your receiver is from another country. For example, in Europe and Asia, complex messages are often dealt with a written document provided only later if necessary. Inside your organization. So, internal communication consists of sending messages inside your organization. External communication consists of sending messages outside your organization. So now outside your organization is external written communication media, maybe letter, report, proposal, telegram, cablegram, mailgram, faxes, telexes, postcards, contracts, ads, brochures, catalogs, news releases. So you may also communicate orally in face-to-face discussion, by telephone, or by presentation in solo or the panel situation. You may also speak to group in a live presentation or through teleconferences, video conferences, or television. Receiver decoder. The message receiver is your reader or a listener, also known as a decoder. Many of your messages may have more than one decoder. The receiver decoder is influenced by the context and by his or her mental filter. Feedback. The component described above, what we have discussed, represents what's happened in communication. A context exists in which the sender chooses the message to communicate. A sender must also choose the medium for the message. A receiver decodes the message and provides feedback. Feedback can be oral or written. Sometimes silence is used as a feedback, though it is almost always ineffective. Sender needs a feedback in order to determine the success and the failure of the communication. So now we are discussing our progress. It says dash needs a feedback in order to determine the success or the failure of the communication. Sender needs the feedback. And the context is the broad field that includes country, culture, organization, external and internal stimuli. So let's sum up. So we have read the strategies of successful PR person. So public relation constitutes one of the strategic tools in marketing function, as it is the responsibility lies in developing and maintaining the sustainable positive image in the minds of constituent public universe. There are four types of public relation model. First model, most closely identified by P.T. Barnum, is the press gentry public model. The kind of public relation is known as a propaganda. The second model is the public information model. Third public relation model is the two-way asymmetric model. And the final model is the two-way symmetric model. Public relation is completely about communication. As we know that the public relation of any company is essential for maintaining a positive image with the consumer and the general public. Communication plays an essential role in effective public relation. Two-way communication between both the parties is essential, and information must know in its desired from between the organization and public. So let's quickly discuss the keywords also. Now the communication. Keywords communication, it's the activity of conveying information through the exchange of thoughts, message, information, and by the speech, visual, signal, writing, and behavior. Now what is decoding? Decoding is the act of translating symbols in communication in their ordinary meaning. Now what is encoding? Encoding is the changing the message into symbol, that is the pattern of words or gesture or a pictorial form or a sign of a specific visual and oral language. Message is the information written or spoken which is to be sent from one person to another. So congratulations, we have completed chapter 9, that is strategy of successful PR personnel, from the book Service Marketing and Public Relation in the Aviation Industry. I wish you all the best for exams, and if you have any queries, I understand the chapters are little lengthy and you really need to understand. I have tried to explain line by line so that you will be able to understand, which is little difficult when you read on your own. So I wish you all the best. If you have any queries or anything, please get back. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.